Hello everyone, it's me Chebby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make Samsung smartphone running One UI automatically record voices on receiving phone calls. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Samsung phone application. On the right top corner you can see three dot icons. Just click on it. Now just click on the settings. Now you will see here one option, record calls. Just click on it. Now you will see here one option, auto record calls. So just enable it, and now you can click on it. Now you will get more options if you want to auto record call for all calls or calls with unsaved numbers or calls with specific numbers. So you can select depending upon your needs. So firstly, just turn it on, and now let us check if it really gonna works or not. So now let me try to make a phone calls to my Samsung smartphone using my another smartphone. So now let me try to receive my phone calls on my Samsung smartphone. Now you can see as soon as I receive the phone calls, you can see on the above the recording has started. As you can see here, whatever I am talking right now is being recorded in my Samsung smartphone. So you can see clearly on the above. So if I cancel the phone calls, then the recorded phone calls will be automatically saved. So you can see in the notification, you can see recording saved in internal storage. So you can just click on it and you can see your call recording directly here, or you can click on the Samsung phone application again and just click on these three dot icons, click on the settings. Now click on this record calls. Now you can see your recorded calls, so you can click on it. Now you will see all the recorded phone calls will be saved here, as you can see. Now you can just click on it and you can select any audio or music here to listen your voice calls. So we finally confirmed that it really gonna work. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily make Samsung smartphone running One UI automatically record voices on receiving phone calls very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.